is up, Pyro Nation? We're back with another Maddox, a Rampage in the Sky. I guess this is the pro version of the Pro Ox fireworks. Here's your performance right away, kind of small. 25 shots, our signature cake. 20 shots of rumbling, dust-stirring brakes. A stampede in the sky. Pro Ox. So this is a pro item for them. There's their ratings. Right there, we got 6 for color, 5 for noise, 6 for space and height, 5 for duration, and 6 for the staff liking it. Let's take a look inside. There you go. Some nice, thick, sturdy tubes. 25 shot cake. This is a 200 gram. This is the pro version what the Maddox has. So let's go check it out.
Hear me?
Yep. Rampage in the Sky. Pro Ox.
Damn.